Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. In this video, you will learn how to send email through WordPress by using SMTP authentication. Before starting with the step-by-step process, first we'll see the importance of SMTP authentication. While sending an email, it is generally a good idea to use SMTP authentication. When you authenticate with the server, it prevents the issues like your message being marked as spam when the email is being sent. So, for sending an email through WordPress by using SMTP authentication, first you need to install WP SMTP plugin and configure it. Now, let's start with the installation process of WP SMTP plugin. Log into WordPress as admin. You will get WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to plugins and click on add new option. On the right side, you will get a search box. In that, search for WP SMTP and hit enter. Now, you can see a list of search results. To install it, click on Install Now button. After completing the installation, make sure to click on Activate plugin to activate it. Now, we'll move on to the configuration process of WP SMTP plugin. To start with, on the left side of navigation menu, click on Settings and select WP SMTP. On the right side, you will get SMTP settings. In these settings, fill the information with actual details. Make sure to set SMTP authentication to yes. After filling the above information, click on Save Changes button. If you want to test your settings, you may go to the Send a Test Email section and enter an email address on which you want to send email. Enter subject, message, and click on Send Test button. You have now successfully configured WordPress to use SMTP authentication for sending mail on the server. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.